Good morning. Today's Wednesday. Yesterday was my birthday. Birthday present showed up. So we got some new wheels that we're throwing on the D-bagger here. So let's check them out. Jumping up from the 19 to a 21-inch front wheel. These are the Arlen Ness Y Spoke with the black hubs and the anodized blue. Got the matching rear, even though you're not gonna be able to see it too much, but might as well make a match. Gonna have to get rid of the red accent there. And on the seat, gonna get a different seat, probably like a Born Scum step up or something, Settlement step up with some custom stuff on it. We'll see, but we're going blue. So we're gonna get these ones thrown on. Didn't even go over the Lowrider S that we turned ST. Ended up getting some original garage crash bars and mini floorboards. So, as well as that stealth. Obviously, front wheel, tire, super easy setup. This bike has ABS. Luckily, the wheels and everything that I bought from through rotation, they got me all set up. So everything's ready to just... So the hubs are on, bearings are already in. They even have which one's marked for ABS. So obviously that one goes on your clutch side. So all we got to do, obviously pull the fender off. They sent adapters to raise that. We're going to do a wrapper fender anyway, but fender came off, makes it a little bit easier. Obviously you just have to pull nut washer off here. Your ABS is this little connector there. Loosen up the bottom of your tube. That's going to slide out. You do have spacers in here. Then what we're going to do, we just have to swap over stock rotors, because I was not about to spend the money on the black ones I really want, and then end up getting new calipers. So we're just going to keep the stock ones for now. This bike has a little under 6,000 miles on it is all. So we're still good. Tons of brake life left. So let's get that off. We'll get rotors swapped onto the new wheel, and we'll get that new wheel put on and see how she sits before doing the back. The back takes quite a bit longer, just having to take off bags and swap over the drive and everything. So let's get that done. So got the front on. We're gonna head out. Wife's got a tattoo appointment. Go get that knocked out. I'll get the back done hopefully tonight. But take a look at the front. Some factory rotors swapped over. Little risers for the stock fender, which we're gonna get a new one anyway, but need to get the back done because you can see it. Back end's aired all the way out. We do have a center stand and stuff, but you can see a little bit of it when we air up. See quite a bit. So hopefully that makes it look better. What do you think of these Arlen Ness Y Spokes? All right, we got the rear on as well. First thing I noticed, obviously with the slightly bigger front wheel, changed the geometry and ride height where I need to extend my feet on my center stand. Before I put the bags back on, gotta get this stuff cleaned up, wipe it all down. But I have just the short little feet. Those are probably, what, half an inch? So I know they sent me some other ones, so I just gotta get those out, put them on. Because there's enough to touch, but the bike kind of rocks, so it doesn't have enough weight. So, get that figured out, get the bags back on, adjust the feet on the center stand. But let's take a look. Now again, got these through rotation out of Florida. So they had the hubs already installed, mounted, balanced. It does have the beads inside, and even came with the TPMS sensors they gotta take and get programmed. Went with the factory 18, factory size, factory tire, all that in the rear, and the 21 up front. And then gonna grab a wrapper fender to put on. My buddy's has one. for his bike because he went to a 26-inch front wheel, so I had to get a new fender. Sheesh! And this is the first Harley, essentially, I have built. Got this a couple years ago. I've done everything besides painting myself, but that's what happens when you, I guess, ride your bike and it's not like a show bike or something like that. Let's look at all the imperfections. Cut the side cover, make it fit my pipe. Got the extension, all the bags and everything. See obviously where stuff rubs. Same thing on the side covers. But hey, we're learning. For those of you guys that are afraid to work on your own shit, don't be. It's pretty easy. Obviously internal engine work and stuff like that. Haven't done that. Have worked on a lot of automotive engines, so I imagine it would be similar, but no, haven't done that yet. Maybe we'll do a cam here on this bike next, we'll see. But don't be afraid, super easy. Obviously wheels, readjust your belt, all that stuff. So dive in, have fun, learn your bike, have fun and ride.